Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and today I am going to show you the lovely swaps from my last group of swaps. I think they are adorable. Now, this one is mine. You guys, it is nothing. Oh my gosh, nothing compared to all the beautiful cards that you're going to see after this. So let's go ahead and get started. The first one here is called, well, it's not called, it's just, I was going to say it's called There's So Much to Love About You, but it says There's So Much to Love About You, and then she stamped, basically she stamped her own designer series paper. So those color combinations are very pretty, and then she has like a mosaic cut there. The next card is from that Everything is Rosy kit, and look at how pretty this is. She stamped all of this. The colors, you guys, the combinations that they used on this one were just so pretty on all the card sets. So there's that one. Look at this one. It's super adorable. So pretty. I just love it so much. And then these little guys, they are the faceted gems? I don't remember what they're called, but then she colored them in. I think I might have to show you guys how to do this card because it is super pretty. And then there's this one, and I don't know if you can see, these fish are glowing. Like, it's got some shimmer on there. So, it just like a real trout would, like shimmer, it's got that same shimmer, so really pretty. And then this one, look how cute this is for the 4th of July. It's got some shimmer paper. We're going to do a card like this on my live. So if you guys, for anyone who purchased $50 or more, or purchased the Daisy Lane stamp set, they will get all the information to attend my live tomorrow, which you have to be invited. It's a closed meeting, and you can call in, and we all watch each other craft and see each other's faces and talk to each other live. It's a real fun time, and I'll be sending out all that login information to those of you who qualified with a $50 order or purchased the Daisy Lane stamp set. So, but this is just a super cute card. And this one is called Best Fishes, Spread the Love. Very cute. Now, I don't think, I'm not sure, I think these are retired if I'm not mistaken, but still a super cute card, and I love that little fish in there. And then there's this one. Oh, the silhouettes are so pretty. And then just the background, super cute. Again, loving those colors. And then finally, one of the little pizza boxes. And it just says thank you on here with the little flowers there. Super cute. And then you open it up, and there's some little York peppermint patties in there. So I think these are cute. It doesn't say who it's from, but most of them don't. We don't really put our names on the back of these ones. And this is just a group of us girls who get together and do some Stampin' and have a little meeting together. And I think these are super cute. So let me know. Tell me which one is your favorite. And also, if you are in the live get-together for tomorrow, make sure you check your email, and it'll be in there very shortly. So, all right, beauties, thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, and please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see how these cards are made, because I would love to show them to you. As always, here's my host code for I said, that says 13th. That's not right. Hold on a minute. This is the 30th. There we go. The other one was all messed up, so I rewrote it, but I rewrote the wrong date. Every time. There's always something wrong every time. Anyways, if you want to order any Stampin' Up! Products, you can go to gpersanti.stampinup.net. Use this host code, and you'll be entered into a chance for a Hostess prize. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!